If you are looking for the best bow saws, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. The number one position is dominated by Baku 102423 bow saw. When it comes to woodworking and home improvement, it goes without saying that the final product is only as good as the tools at hand. One should have the best hand saws, jigsaws, circular saws, and bow saws readily available for a finished product to be proud of. And when choosing the best rated bow saw, it is an open secret that the Baku 102423 bow saw with ergo handle is the best choice on the market. This bow saw gained popularity for its durable construction from high-quality metals and intelligent design that makes it the ideal choice not just for professionals but also for beginners. It comes with an easily adjustable tensioning mechanism that ensures an efficient cut regardless of the material being used on. What's more, its ergonomic fit provides maximum comfort with minimal effort, making it the premium choice for many users. Beyond those features, this ergonomic bow saw can equally be used for heavy-duty work without any risk of bending under the weight of the load. It has impressed more than 94% of users and remains one of the most recommended bow saws available. Its knuckle guards implemented in the design is surprisingly not a common feature for bow saws. Along with the multiple sizes available, the level of practicality and customer consideration is what sets it apart from the rest. Its affordability, efficiency, and versatility are just extra perks to sweeten this deal is top-rated bow saw. Despite all these features, if you are still not entirely sure that the Baku 102423 bow saw is not the one for you, have a read through its key features below. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Great Neck Saw BB21. Having the best DIY tools should not only be limited to professionals, beginners should also benefit to make the work at hand easier and more enjoyable. Even as a beginner, you can find yourself a top-notch product to complete on any finished DIY job onto your to-do list, and the Great Neck Saw BB21 21-inch bow saw is another strong contender. This top-rated bow saw comes in multiple sizes and is easily one of the most affordable saws for those who prefer not to splash all their cash. The hardened steel blades of this bow saw ensure ease of use and efficient results. Furthermore, the chrome alloy encasing guarantees its durability if a long-lasting product is a priority. Beyond all the amazing features this bow saw offers, it is a fan favorite with a popularity that has stood the test of time. Great Neck Saw Manufacturers Incorporation has been around for almost a century and was founded in 1919 by Samuel Jackhoff, a tool maker living in Pittsfield, MA. Since then, it has been a mission of the company to manufacture a superior quality, dependable tools for a reasonable price. Needless to say, it's evident they are keeping to their work as a Great Neck Saw BB21 21-inch bow saw continues to be a favorite. Apart from the top-notch features, one key reason this particular bow saw stands out is due to its simplicity. Despite many years on the market, it doesn't resort to its frills and gimmicks to attract customers. Rather, it stays true to its purpose. Simply put, it does what it stays on the cover, and all the features are effortlessly combined to make the Great Neck bow saw one of the best out there. The number 3 position is held by HB Smith bow saw. With the HB Smith bow saw in your toolbox, you are definitely in good hands. This high-grade saw is noted for its ability to chew through wood, making it a good choice for cutting fresh and damp wood, such as logs and thick branches. Your safety is also guaranteed with the addition of its impressive blade guard cover. It's surprising the number of accidents that occur when saws are left unattended to. Luckily, with the intelligent addition of the blade guard from HB, the teeth of the blades are covered during storage to not only reduce the chances of any injury occurring but also prevent the blades from dulling, which is often caused by other objects rubbing against the blade teeth. The HB Smith bow saw is also a premium candidate for all your woodworking needs. With its hardened teeth, you're guaranteed all the desired results with less effort supplied. The ergonomic handle also provides a stronger grip, thereby reducing the chance of accidents while working, and with the saw's durable steel frame, you won't have to worry about it bending under pressure or worse, breaking after short use. Overall, this top-rated bow saw is designed to prevent repeat trips to the store for a replacement. It comes with the trusted quality HB Smith is known for. With assurances like these, you'd be hard-pressed to find another bow saw that offers this much at such an affordable price. Next at number 4, we have Trooper AJT24. The Trooper HAT24 bow saw is a bow saw best designed for cutting green wood only and doesn't come with a blade for cutting up dry wood. Despite this features offered by this blade and seemingly limitless. This tool finds its way onto our exclusive list thanks to its affordability, durability, and its top-notch knuckle guard. As previously mentioned, although a vital feature for bow saws, knuckle guards are very uncommon, hence why this is the standout feature of the Trooper bow saw. What's more, the Trooper HAT24 bow saw offers a quality tensioning system and a comfortable non-slip ergonomic handle. Thanks to the sharp serrated saw blade, which is easy to replace, the small cutting tasks can be done quickly, making it a perfect sawing toolkit for DIY lovers. Its quick blade release mechanism also allows user to change blades in a matter of mere seconds, and the sharp and pointy nose ensures that it can easily reach tight spots that would be a problem for other bow saws. The Trooper bow saw is easily one of the best saws that offers a strong build. However, don't be fooled into that its durable construction means it will be too heavy to use. Although sturdy, this bow saw still promises lightweight handling, and with the metal alloy used for construction, you won't be hurrying to get it replaced anytime soon. You can be sure that regardless of multiple uses, it will remain strong and sturdy for years to come. All in all, the Trooper HAT24 bow saw is perfect for both beginners and professionals who are after an easy-to-use saw. With its soft ergonomic handles, you're guaranteed long hours of use without worrying about immediate hand fatigue or tiredness. Finally, at number 5, with Fiskars 7029 21-inch bow saw. Fiskars is one of the oldest companies in the Western world. Started in 1649, this brand has survived World War, pandemics, and much more. That's why we are confident that you will love their products. When you have been in the game for over 300 years, you learn how to impress your customers. This product, the Fiskars 7029 bow saw, doesn't look anything like the first products that this company made. They might be a heritage brand, but this bow saw is made with modern materials and using up-to-date design techniques. It is a lightweight tubular steel frame that holds the hardened carbon steel blade. This easy-to-grip, lightweight design makes this saw super easy to control. When you are cutting through a thick branch, you don't want any extra weight making the movement more difficult. The blade is coated in a rust-resistant material that extends the life of this tool. We were also impressed by the safety tension level, which is designed to provide added control. Plus, this bow saw comes with a lifetime guarantee, so your purchase is completely protected. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.